Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to swap USDC to Ethereum on your Metamask. So the first thing to do is to open up your Metamask and make sure that you're in the BNB Smart Chain network, as you can see over here. If you're not in the BNB Smart Chain network, click on this drop down arrow and then choose BNB Smart Chain network. Alright, so after doing that, click on the USDC token. Once you're in the USDC token, click on the swap button there. So remember, we are swapping from USDC to Ethereum. So you click on this down arrow over here, the drop down arrow, and then in the drop down arrow, you have to select the Ethereum that you want to swap to. So I'll search for Ethereum, and you can see the Ethereum token is there. Sorry, this one is the Ether King. I'll come and swap again. I'll search for Ethereum, and this is the Ethereum token. So once you're done selecting the Ethereum token, you have to input the amount of USDC you want to swap. So for this case, I'm assuming I'm swapping 25 USDC, okay? And then as you can see, there are over 8 sources that you can use to swap, okay? So this means there are 8 channels you can use to swap USDC to Ethereum. So you just have to continue and click on get quotes. Once you click on get quotes over here, you have to see the gas fee you're going to pay, okay? And then even other information of payment. As you can see, this is the gas fee you're going to pay. You're going to pay 0.24 BNB as a gas fee, and then just click on sweep over here, okay? So sweep this side like this if you want to swap, and that's the procedure, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.